We are 50% into 2024. Yes, I am telling you the absolute truth. Time goes by so fast, and if we procrastinate once, we will always be catching up. Why isn't that energy there? Why isn't that hunger there? Why isn't that passion there? Why isn't that ambition there? Why isn't that drive there for you to make the change? Why isn't it? We still have 50% left in 2024 remaining. So show up even more, build more momentum. This message, this reminder, this video is your wake-up call to make that change. I am rooting for you and I'll be supporting you. Best of luck.